Are we in a concealer season right now? I feel like we might be. Hello everyone, happy Saturday. So as you guys know, on Saturdays we do PR unboxings where I get to show you guys the new launches for the week. We are fully up to date. I'm so happy. We tackled the hallway. So there's like no more pile of boxes there and it feels so good. I actually have like a whole list of things I'm gonna be decluttering and I can't wait. I can't wait till it's like all done. But I also decided to change up my background lighting. I did pink. I'm wondering if I'm gonna change it to yellow because I feel like I might be blending in a little bit too much with the pink. I don't know, I might play with that before we get into the next clip. But anyways, if you guys are brand new, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and then also I have my weekly mystery box giveaway, which is you just click the link down below. That's how you enter. I will email you. Do not listen to the spammers that come in here and like comment on every freaking comment. It's like weird, it's crazy. I try blocking them and they just make new ones. So it's like bots. But I will email you if you are the winner. Good luck to everyone. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so we kept the pink because I tried the yellow and it just was not popping for me. So we kept the pink. But first package is from Safely. They sent me a few products. I've never heard of this brand before, but I'm really excited about it. They sent over the Everyday Laundry in the scent Spring. It also in the cap, it has like a large, medium, and small like lines so you can know exactly how much you're gonna pour in there. Next up, I got these two cleaners from them. We have a glass cleaner in the scent Rise and then also a universal cleaner in the scent Rise. And these come with little spray tops to them. I actually just completely redid my laundry room. If you guys can check out the reel on my Instagram, it makes you feel so good when you get done with it. I love it. So next up, I got a hand cream in Rise and then also a hand sanitizer in Rise right here. So those will most likely go downstairs in the bathroom. And then, oh, also this one, we got a hand soap. So I'm really excited. I want to see more of what they have. Their ingredients are supposed to be more safe, more like just better, gentle ingredients. It says formula safe to use for hand wash, regular wash, and HE machines. So it's just, I don't know, they're supposed to be really good. So I can't wait to try out their products. Thank you Safely for sending these over. I'm super stoked. I really want to see what else they have on their site too, because also I really like their packaging. I like how minimal it is. Next up, we have a package from Mercier and they sent over their skin essentials. So first off, I love these. Oh my God, if I can find these, if they sell them, I will link them down below for you guys. But these are like the best to like clip in your hair and to like kind of like get things like laying flat like while you're getting ready. Let me get it off. But yeah, so, and I love the tones of them. I think they're gorgeous. So they sent over the Perfect Cream Multitasking Moisturizer. I don't think I've tried this out before, but this is what it looks like. Super stoked about this. I actually use their illuminating eye cream in the morning before I do my makeup. I actually have it down here. This is the one that I use, the illuminating eye cream. I love this. It is definitely, like you can see, I've definitely made a dent in it. I love it. It definitely illuminates, and I think they sent over another one, so I've got a backup here. We also have the Refining Cream Polish, which I don't think I've tried either. So this is going to help exfoliate the skin, which is going to be really nice. I also have the Nourishing Rose Oil, which I have not had either. So this is I love oils. Like my skin needs oils right now. So I'm actually gonna leave these unboxed and put those into my bathroom right now. And then, oh, this is their lip balm. Awesome lip balm right here. I already have this, which is great. So thank you, Laura Mercier, for hooking me up. I'm excited to try out these products. I'm definitely gonna give those a try. So thank you, Laura Mercier. I really appreciate it. All right, we have something new from NARS here. And I love this bag. This is awesome. It's even like that same like soft matte like packaging that they use on their stuff. Do we have blushes? I think we have blushes. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is Heated Encounter, the Summer Unrated Collection. When orgasm meets Laguna, it's a moment of pure passion, sensual shades, sensorial textures, and skincare infused formulas for an all-over glow. 2 icons, 1 collection. This is available already. It came out March 6th. And you can get it at Ulta.com. So I'll have this link down to Ulta. This is the palette. Beautiful packaging as always. This is beautiful. I love these. I know where I'm gonna live. I'm gonna live like right in here. This is like my tone section right here. Like these 6 shades, that's where I'm gonna live, and I'll definitely like dip into that one to like deepen up a crease. But these are beautiful. Oh my God, these browns are gonna be perfect. I love browns like this for my transition shade because I keep everything fairly neutral. Even just this one too, to put it in the crease, and then you can put this one even lower in the crease just to add some pink to it, some color. Oh, I love that. And then we've got some really good shimmer shades in here too. So that is beautiful as well. So I love that. Then we've got their Orgasm Laguna and then Orgasm and Casino. So let's check out this one. Oh, these are little duos. Oh my God, these are gonna be great for travel. So Orgasm Laguna right here. As you guys know, great blush, great bronzer. And then the other one might, I'm guessing, yeah, I think this one's gonna be too deep for me, so I'll save this one. I'm gonna save that one. So thank you so much, NARS, for sending over this collection. Really beautiful. I can't wait to try out the palette. Next up from Ren, we've got their Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. I've used this, I like it. It's very moisturizing on the skin. It definitely doesn't make your skin feel stripped. It doesn't make your skin feel like you've got leftover product to it. It does really good. I would actually recommend this really especially for dry skin because it does put a lot of moisture and it just makes your skin feel balanced afterwards. And it's nice and gentle too. All right, so Beauty Counter came out with this new product right here. It's called Reflect Effect AHA Smoothing Facial Mask. This stuff is amazing. I'm actually working with them on a campaign on my other channel. It went live today and I love Beauty Counter. I love their stuff. They've got great makeup, which that blush that I got and I show in that video, so good. Gotta go pick up that blush. The shade that I was using is cider in it. And I just love their products. And this mask is amazing. I've been using it. You use it twice a week. You put it on like clean, dry skin. And then about 10 minutes later, you wash off with warm water. And you can use, like you can buy this as a bundle. And I even have a code for them. I think it's like 30% off of anything on their site. So I will link that down below as well so you guys can get it. But this right here, you use a little spatula to put the mask on. And then you've got 2 different sides of your scrubber and you just like after 10 minutes, put warm water and you just really massage it into the skin and it really helps exfoliate all that dead skin and your skin feels so good. It feels so refreshed because it's also like a gel. So it's really just hydrating and feels good. It's just a great treatment to do twice a week. And I'm loving, oh my gosh, I am loving this moisturizer right here. I use this every morning right now. And this is the one I use before I do my makeup and it makes your skin feel like silk. It feels so good. I'm loving their products. So definitely check them out. I'll have those 2 ones linked down below with the code so you guys can save the 30% off. All right, so next up I got this new thing from Redken that they launched. This is the Blondish High Bright Conditioner and Shampoo. This is supposed to be a brightening conditioner and brightening shampoo for blondes. Vitamin C brightening care, brightening after one use. I love products like this. I used one from Hue that I'm almost out of and oh my God, I'm obsessed. So I cannot wait to try out this one from Redken and I'll let you guys know how that one goes. I have an empties that's going to be coming up here very soon of giving you guys like quick speed reviews of everything I've been using and that I've used up. So that will be coming up, but super awesome. So thank you Redken for sending this over. Next up from Benefit, we've got this is their new Boing Bright On Concealer and also their Cakeless Concealer here. And these are liquid. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I also love the little erasers that they do. So they sent over a couple different shades. So it's now in 30 shades. So this is the Bright On Concealer right here, the little skinny ones. And then these are the Cakeless Concealer. So these we're definitely gonna have to give a go. So we've got 4.5 here and number 4. Then we've got Melon and Peach. So Peach will be for like a corrector. And then I probably would have done a little bit brighter for me or a little lighter so I could use it when I'm not self-tan. I like a little bit more of a brighter under eye. I'm still into that look. I know that some people are like kind of veering away from it now with the trends, but I like it. I feel like what it does is it helps lift up my eyes and I feel like it gives me a really youthful look, which is really nice too. So Yeah, but we'll give these a go. 30 shades. They are color correcting pigments known to help hide dark circles, and they are lightweight, and they have a serum-like formula that helps seal in hydration. So I will give you guys an update on these babies. All right, so next up from Dermalogica, we've got their circular hydration serum. So we've got another hydration serum here to try out. This one is going to replenish the skin from within, immediately hydrates, provides long-lasting hydration. Oh, I'm so stoked for this. Using a toner before the circular hydration serum helps draw in water chemistry and lock it in with layered hydration. So I definitely will use a toner first. I have a few toners that I've been trying out. I have one from Tatcha that I've been really liking. And then I also have another one from Obagi, which is really good. So I'll give you guys updates on those, but we'll try that out before this. I think I might try this one serum out before I do this oil and see how this one works for me for a while. And then I will go on to the Laura Mercier one and test that one out because I can't test them out at the same time. But thank you, Dermalogica, for sending that over because boy, do I need it. Are we in a concealer season right now? I feel like we might be because I got the Vanish Airbrush Concealer. And I'm super stoked about this one as well. Okay, so I've used this one. I love this one. This one's awesome. I actually have it in my packaging right there. Which one is this? Is it the same thing and it's just in like smaller form? Oh, it's a little mini one. I know, introducing our best concealer in a new mini size. I was like, I've used this before. I have this. I like this. I have it back there. This is the one that I have in my drawer right now. It's in the shade Oat. I use this when I'm self-tan and I'm so happy they sent me a lighter shade because this is the lightest one I had. And they sent me over cream. And then we also have cotton, which is great. And then we've got, is this the brush? Yes, this is the brush. Oh, this brush is so good right here. Oh, I love this brush. Okay, so this brush is awesome because if you look at it, it's a nice like flat and it's fluffy and it makes it so easy to get in there and just to like blend out the concealer. So these are great. Thank you for stocking me up. I already had this one. I love it that I got a lighter color because now I can mix them and like create like a really pretty like brightening effect with my eyes. That's what I like to do. But again, it's a weightless formula that instantly blends and sets to a natural airbrush finish for 16 hours of skin perfection. I really enjoy this concealer. I've been using this one lately. So thank you, Hourglass. Last but not least, got a package from Liquid IV. And this is such a cute little backpack. Oh my God, I can just see Riley is going to love this backpack right here. In here, we've got a fun little digital camera. Oh, it's a disposable camera. And then we have the hydration multiplier, which is electrolyte drink. Awesome, love this. It's in the flavor cotton candy. And then, oh, we got a nice little water flask right here to put water in. And then we've got, ooh, a cute little bucket hat. It's like total cotton candy vibes. I love this. This is actually, Riley's gonna love that right there. I'll give that to her. Oh my gosh, they sent over a Dermalogica product too, which you guys know, I love Dermalogica. Hyaluronic Ceramide Mist. Strengthens and, oh, I gotta try this out. This, I believe you just refresh, yeah. Saturate skin with hydration and lock in moisture to help bounce it back. Long-lasting hydration. After cleansing, spray directly on face, avoiding eyes. You can do refreshing spritz throughout the day. Let's check out the, okay, it's a nice sprayer. Love that. So we got that. And then we've got a little like handkerchief here. Oh, this is perfect. Awesome. So you can even like tie this on the backpack too. But we've got that cool little handkerchief. So thank you so much, Liquid IV, for sending this over. You guys, I don't remember what my code, I think they change it. It's like 20% and then it's 30% sometimes. And it's Madison 89 Miller. So I highly recommend it. My favorite one that I get all the time is the vitamins. It's the immunity one. It's my fave. Like, I don't know what it is about that one, but I love that one. And the hydration ones, like the electrolyte ones, are also really, really good too if you need that little boost throughout the day. So thank you so much, Liquid IV. I really appreciate it. Okay, so that is everything in this PR unboxing. Make sure you guys enter the giveaway down below. I found when I was going through my boxes, I found 3 more boxes of mystery box giveaways. So we're gonna go through those ones and then I'll start like making more and showing you guys which will be winning at the end of the video and the future ones. Enter that down below. And I think we should change up the background color again next week. And why don't you guys pick the color for this one? So if you've stayed this long in the video, pick the color of what you think what we should do for next week. Like, should we do blue? Should we do purple? Should we do, the yellow didn't work, but we could do green. We could do, like, I can change it to all different colors. So let me know what color background I should do next week. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.